Hey guys, today I'm showing you a toolkit. This is 41 piece beats socket set. So here it is, and I am buy it from Snapdeal. Here you can see the real price. That's why here it's 999. So I can buy it from 200 rupees. It's very cheap quality. So now I am open this box. Just 1 second. Here this, and you can see there is a lock, and you can open this, and here my screw set. So this is a pretty good screw set, and whatever you want to work, it's done by it. And here is a nozzle, external cord. Here is some screw that is helpful for any kind of home appliances. And here this is an adapter which is connected to this. So now I'm showing you how it's work. So this is the nut, and here it is. So you see, this is a magnet, and there is a knob which is directed clockwise or anti-clockwise. Here it is now rotate this side, but if you want to push there, it is rotate this side, not this side. Similarly, not this side and this side. So here it is, and there is a knob which you rotate, and it is changed to this way, and you can now fix this, and it cannot move. So this is very good, I think, because of your various kind of work. So again, push it and turn it straight. Yeah, now I'm showing you how to use this adapter. So let's take this, and here it is your adapter. You have to push it inside. Yes, this is a magnet, pretty good magnet actually. And your adapter, this fourth side must be go in here, like that. Yeah, that's why good. And now can you untight any kind of nut, whatever you want. So I can going to write this way, and here it is also a shaft, larger shaft, and put this into here. It's fixed, and here you can fix it by pushing there. That's why. So here it is a large, and it's good actually. So thank you watching this. I hope it may good. Thank you.